Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Being an attack?
I don't know. Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. Hi guys, I'm currently sitting inside a 2023 Dodge Winnebago here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Nick and I had rented a camper van from a company called Indie Campers. It's a company based over in Europe and they're coming over to the United States. They've only been open for like 3 weeks, so we're like one of the first people to take this out, and I am living my best life right now. So I'm currently sitting in the bedroom area of the camper van. It is a Murphy bed, and basically all that means is that the bed folds up to the side so you can have some like room in here to move around. I think we're gonna leave it down because underneath is this area for storage. I tried really hard not to bring a giant suitcase, but that didn't happen, so I brought it. So underneath here is 3 suitcases, a big one and 2 carry-ons. And there's also our camera bags and some storage for like toilet paper, extra jackets, because it's actually pretty chilly in Flagstaff right now. It's like 65 degrees out. And then there's also like a storage tote and whatnot. That's all underneath here. Also right in front of me is the back of the van. The coolest part about the back of the van is that the doors have these poles on it that close together, and you can put curtains on it, so you have like this private outdoor shower area, changing area, just extra added privacy and space to the back of the van. It also has these fly nets, so if there's like mosquitoes or flies, you just close it up and they don't get inside of it. Also here on the back of the van is where the water pump is located. This is important because you need water when you're not at a campground that doesn't provide it, which we will be going to over near the Grand Canyon. So that's where you access the water and the outdoor shower. So on the driver's side is where you will find the electricity to hook up. A lot of campgrounds have this like little pole sticking out of the ground where you can plug it in, and then you plug it into your camper, and that is what will give you electricity to charge your phones, computers, whatever it is that you need. And then there's also the toilet on this side. It is locked, so I'm going to open that up and kind of show you what it looks like. Guys, this is our toilet. We've been doing a lot of our bathroom breaks over at the toilet that they have here at the campgrounds, but this is where it belongs if you do go to the bathroom inside. So coming around to the other side of the van is where the big giant sliding door is, which opens up to the main living space. I'm sitting in the cockpit, which is the area where you drive the van. The best part about this is that these front seats turn around into the living space. You just pull the little nub and you spin all the way around. Beep beep. Behind the passenger chairs is the bathroom, and I really wanted to show you this because I had a hard time finding it in any of the research I did on this camper van. They didn't really show it, so I'm going to show it to you now. There's a lock up here that you spin all the way around. You grab it by the side and you just pull it open. The bathroom obviously is small, but the fact that it's inside a van is just so mind-blowing. You have everything that you need. You have your toilet down here, which I showed you is connected down to the other side over here, so everything that you do in here goes in that little bucket. There's also a shower. Basically, it's just this little shower head. You turn on the water. There's also a heating system here, so you can have hot water, and then you push the button and you can have a shower. Hang a curtain though, because it might get everywhere. I'm not really sure, I haven't tried it yet, but I think that's the synopsis of this whole shower thing in a van. On the other side of the bathroom is the kitchen. It's super small, but definitely gets the job done. You have a mini fridge, which is actually not that mini. It fits so much stuff in it. You have a stovetop burner, has 2 on it, and it's run by propane. You also have a giant sink, and you have storage underneath it, so you can put pots and pans and maybe a trash can. Along this camper van is so much storage. It is lined from wall to wall. Above the kitchen here is where I like put all the dishes, maybe some food. You just pull the lever here, let go of it, and it connects to a magnet at the top here. As you can see, we have some food in here, some plates, some cutting boards. It's great. It literally holds so much. To pull it down, you just pull it and it clips over here. The rest of the van is equipped with the same type of storage, and when you get back towards the bed, we have like our clothes and stuff, so it's like makes sense where you put stuff. My favorite part about this van is this pop-up tent. It has a bed in the back, but it also has a bed on the top of it, and it's this pop-up tent that you kind of just push up, and then there's a bed inside. It's super simple. To get up to it, there's this ladder, and it's located in this section right here. So this is the top of the camper van in my favorite spot. Imagine pulling up on the side of the road and looking out at the scenery above you with like no obstruction on top of the van. It's literally the best part. So that's it. We've absolutely loved exploring van life, and we're so eager to start our adventure with our own van or camper. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Be sure to check out our Arizona series, and if you liked it, thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And let me know in the comments if you're a van lifer or considering van life. I guess until the next one, we'll see you then. Bye!